Hello and welcome to the Excel training sessions by NDTest. In this session, we're going to learn about how to open up a file in Excel. Now, as it is always the case with the versatility of Excel, there are multiple ways of opening up a file in Excel. And we're going to go ahead with the foremost and the most important of them all. In this view, I have an Excel file already opened up, and it is a completely raw file which I have started editing from scratch, and I've just typed in the word NDTest in this. Now, what if I want to open up a second file in this whole environment? How would I do that? Now, there are two most popular ways of doing this. First method, as we discussed it before, is that there is a whole lot of options available in the file button. That is, now we're going to go to the file button and we're going to click on this open button over here. So clicking on this open button again produces a dialog box which asks us that in the C drive that we have, there are these three files available. You can see I said three because these three icons relate the icons which is associated with Microsoft Excel. Now it's telling me that in this drive, in this folder, I have these three files and I can open any one of them in the Excel environment. Now going on to this and selecting this and then clicking on the open button, you can see that this file, the sample.xlsx, has now been opened in the Excel environment, and I'm completely free to edit this or modify this or then save it or anything that I want to do with this. The other way of opening up a file in Excel environment is using a shortcut, this shortcut of Control plus O. Now by this Control plus O shortcut is that I press the Control and the O alphabet at the same time on my keyboard. I'm going to press them now. You see that it has produced the same kind of dialog box that it produced in the previous case. It is now telling me that in the C drive I have three of my files with these three names and I can open any one of them. Now there's one more thing that needs to be discussed over here, is that C drive is the default thing that is opening over here. I can maneuver and move on to any folder as I like, and see the Excel files in that drive also or that folder also. So just continue on with the previous example. I click on sample v2 and you see sample v2 has now been opened in the Excel environment, and I'm again free to edit it, to click anywhere, to produce any calculations, input any formulas, saving them and eventually putting it back to my drive. So this is all about opening up a file in Excel environment. Thank you for watching.